Much one day left now in the legislative session at the Capitol, and the budget showdown is underway, along with several items on the table in this one, from Medicare to marijuana.
There has been some progress made. Moments ago, the state Senate approved legislation that would ban bump stocks. The House already passed the bill last week. Tonight, the governor says he plans to sign it into law in the coming days.
But still, a lot needs to be done before tomorrow's deadline at midnight. News 8's Bob Wilson filed this report earlier tonight.
Still waiting in the wings for action, relief for crumbling foundations. It has been passed in the House and looks like it could go through in the Senate, adding a $1 a month surcharge on insurance policies to homeowners. The 85 cents of that would go to the crumbling foundations.
I'm really disappointed that the Federal Emergency Management has, taken a walk on that. Clearly, they had an opportunity to do that. I do believe that the banks and the insurance companies still will have an opportunity to participate. We left the back door open.
And still others never made it to a final vote. While adding tolls to Connecticut roadways to pay for failing infrastructure has been preliminary voted on and researched again, it will not make it through this time around, but is expected to be submitted again next session.
If there's no appetite for it, then maybe we don't move forward anymore with this. But the bottom line is that if we're losing on the gas revenue side, then we're going to have to make it up somewhere else.
And while medical marijuana has more than 25,000 participants in the program, legalizing recreational marijuana failed this time around.
We've been at this for the last 4 years, trying to get this bill through, which I think is good policy for the state of Connecticut.
And in between talking about the bills and passing legislation, Democrats and Republicans setting their top priority as passing a budget in the next 24 hours.
The biggest thing that we have to do before the end of the session is come up with a budget that's fiscally responsible and that is responsive to taking care of the people in our community.
Bob Wilson, News 8.